Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. In today's video, we will see a challenging question on long division of polynomial. It is a part of the syllabus of A-level mathematics of different boards. So let's see a question here. The polynomial is given to you 2x power 4 plus ax cube plus bx minus 1. A and b are constant. It is denoted by function p of x. When the function is divided by x square minus x plus 1, the remainder is 3x plus 2. Now without solving it, we can see when we will do long division, there are two methods by the way. The long division method I'm explaining here. The other one I have solved it and I will show you the solution. So when we will do the long division and our remainder will have a and b. Why? Because in our dividend, you can see we have a and b. Whereas the remainder given to us does not have a and b. It simply means that we will need to compare the two remainders to get the values of a and b. So let's start here. In the description, you will find the link of other 3 videos I have made on long division, which are not that challenging, but to develop the concept. So if you struggle understanding this question, you can link to those questions and try to understand the basic foundation of the concept. And then after that, you can review this video again for this question. Now one more thing, I don't see here a term with x square, you can notice. So in that case, the coefficient you can take as 0 and add the term here. What is the reason? When we will be dividing it, we will have a term with x square and we write the like terms underneath to do addition and subtraction. So let's start. First of all, you will multiply x square by a term to get 2x power 4. This is the target. So x square multiply by 2x square will give you 2x power 4. Now this 2x square will multiply by minus x now. So it will become minus 2x cube. Then it will multiply by plus 1. So you will get 2x square. See, you have gotten the term with x square and that's why we needed here 0x square. Now I will subtract because we subtract the terms, right? You know this from the basic concept. If I help you to recall here, suppose 2 times 4 is 8. It is plus 8, but you subtract the numbers, right? To get the remainder. So similarly here, the sign of the terms will change in the bottom. So this will cancel out. And what is left now is 2 plus a as a coefficient of x cube, right? 2 from here, a from here. And from here you will have minus 2x square. And the remaining term I will just copy down as it is. Now I will multiply again x square by a term to get this. Now x square multiplied by what will give me this, right? It will definitely be, let me use some other color so that we can see the difference. Okay, so for example, I will multiply x square by plus 2 plus a x. So this will give me 2 plus a x cube, right? I'm repeating. I have to multiply x square by a term to get 2 plus a x cube because this is the first term we have here. Then the same term, this one, will multiply by minus x. It will become minus 2 plus a x square. Then it will multiply by plus. So I will have here 2 plus a x. So let me move the term I have written up little to the right so that they are under the same coefficient, right? It will be easy then to do the subtraction. So now let me just clean this up a bit. Okay, so now the signs will change. Minus, plus, minus because of the subtraction. This term will cancel out. So now the coefficient of x square is 2 plus a, which I'm getting from here, and this is minus 2. So I will write minus 2. and it is x square. Now, from the next term, I will have plus b from here, and this is the coefficient minus 2 minus a, because outside the bracket you have minus sign. So I'm writing minus 2 minus a, the coefficient of x, and minus 1 will be written down as it is, bringing down. Now after that I will see what I will multiply it with, this x square. Oh, one more thing. You see here plus 2 and minus 2 are cancelling out. So what do I have here? Let me write this line again. So what do I have here? I have here ax square, and this term I will copy down as it is. Okay, this is not coming because of any multiplication. I'm just simplifying it. Now x square multiplied by a will give me ax square, right? Then multiply by minus x, that will be minus ax, and then multiply by plus 1, so it will be a. So this term is out. You have to focus on these two terms for the subtraction. Okay, the red one. Now sign will change. This will cancel out. So from this coefficient of x and this coefficient of x, I have b minus 2 minus a plus a. Plus a I am getting from here, right? These are the coefficient of x. And from the constant, I have minus a and minus 1. This will cancel out, and what will I have now? The remainder, b minus 2x minus 1 minus a. This is our remainder after long division, and this was the remainder given in the question. So we have to do what? Comparison. So you will say comparing 3x plus 2 and compared it with b minus 2x minus a minus a. You will compare coefficient of x with coefficient of x and constant with constant. So when I'm comparing coefficient of x, it is 3 is equals to b minus 2, which means b is equals to 5. And then you can compare constant. 2 is equals to minus 1 minus a, which is a equals to minus 3. So this is how you will find out the value of a and b. The second method also I'm explaining it to here, which is already solved. For that you need to recall the concept. For example, if I say 9 divided by 2, this can be written as 2 times 4 plus 1 equals to 9. This is my remainder, quotient and divisor. Now the same logic I will apply here to solve this question using this method. So it is the second method. So if you see here in the first line, this is the question given to you. This is your divisor and this is your quotient, just like this, plus remainder, right? After that, I will expand the right hand side and then compare the coefficient. So this whole red line is basically the right hand side of the green line, right hand side. And after that, I will add or combine together the like terms. So in this way, I got the coefficient of x cube, coefficient of x square, coefficient of x and constant. Now I will compare them with this, right? So coefficient of x power 4 is 2, no need to compare. The rest I will start comparing. So a will compare with a minus 2, you can see here. I have written here what I am comparing. Then x square is not here, so you will take here what? 0, right? So 0 is equals to 2 minus a plus b. Then I will compare the coefficient of x, which is b, and here it is a minus b plus 3, right? And last is the comparison of the constant, which is minus 1 with b plus 2. So after this, if I see equation number 4, I can immediately get the value of b from here. The whole target is to find out a, small a, and b. And small a is equals to this part. And small b is equals to this part, right? Comparing the coefficient. So once I will have the value of capital A and capital B, I will just plug in here and here. The values I will get will represent small a and small b, right? So this is what I'm going to do now. So let's see here. From equation 4, I have given reference here, which equation I'm using. I got the value of capital B. Then I will use equation 2 to get the value of capital A. You can see here. So the target was A and B, small a, b. So now I will use equation 1 and equation 3, right? So I got the value of A minus 3 and value of B equals to 5. So this is the second method. I hope you understood this. And if you have any query, you can write in the comment. Please press like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.